In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter and use functions in Google Sheets. Let's get started by opening your Google Sheets document. You can use any modern web browser, and once your spreadsheet is open, take a moment to look at your data so you know exactly where you want the result to appear. Functions calculate a value and display it in the cell you choose, so picking the right destination is important. Click the cell where you want the result to show. Think of this as the display spot for your calculation. For example, if you're summing a column of numbers in A1 through A10, you might click the cell just below that list to keep things tidy. Selecting the correct cell up front avoids confusion later. Next, type the equal sign. In Google Sheets, every formula starts with an equals sign. As soon as you type it, you'll notice the formula bar at the top activates, and Google Sheets often shows helpful suggestions to guide you. This tells the spreadsheet, I'm about to enter a formula. Now, type the function name. Common choices include sum to add numbers, average to find the mean, and VLOOKUP to look up a value in a table and return related information. You don't need to memorize every function. Start typing, and Sheets will autocomplete suggestions. Choose the function that matches the calculation you need. For functions like sum, place your range inside parentheses. A range is a group of cells, and it's written with a start and end separated by a colon, like A1, A10. So, for example, you'd type sum A1, A10. If your numbers are in multiple separate ranges, you can separate them with commas, such as sum A1, A10, C1, C10. You can also click and drag over cells to insert the range automatically while you're typing the formula. Keep an eye on the tooltip that appears beneath your formula. It usually shows you the expected arguments and example syntax. When you're ready, press Enter to apply the formula and see the result. The cell will display the answer, while the formula itself is stored behind the scenes. If you ever need to make a change, click the cell and look up at the formula bar, or double-click the cell to edit directly. If something doesn't look right, like an error or an unexpected number, check for common issues such as a misspelled function name, missing parentheses, or an incorrect range. With these basics, you're ready to use functions confidently in Google Sheets.